Hello friends, let's move on to question number 9. A chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and the other is 80% solution. How much of each should be used to obtain 100 ml of 68% solution? So that is the question they have asked. So here two solutions are what? 50% solution and 80% solution. Correct. These two are the solutions. So here what it asks us, how much of each should be used to obtain. So quantity of these two solutions are required to obtain 68% solution. So here let me assume X as the quantity of 50% solution and Y as the quantity of 80% solution. So therefore let X be quantity of 50% solution, let Y be quantity of 80% solution. So result, what should we get? We need to get 100 ml of 68% solution. So the result should be result is 68% solution. Correct. Result is 68% solution. So combinations of these two solutions, you have to get 68% of solution which is of 100 ml. So here first of all let us obtain the values for 1 ml and in the final solution you can obtain for 100 ml. So let us calculate the values for 1 ml. So how can you calculate? So this can be written as X into 50 by 100 plus Y into 80 by 100 equals to, what should we get? We'll get 68 by 100. Okay. So this can be written as 0.5x plus 0.8y equals to 0.68. Okay. So here let me multiply this entire with 10 on both sides. This with 10 and this with 10. What do you get? You will get 5x plus 8y equals to 6.8. So put this as equation 1. Okay. So first condition we have satisfied, and the second one what did they tell? So the two solutions is together, you can put it like this. The second condition will be, what are the two quantities X and Y? So these two quantities must produce how much? 100 ml of a 68% solution, right? Observe the question carefully here. How much of each should be used to obtain 100 ml of 68% solution? So here initially I have told you that we have to calculate, I am here calculating solution for 1 ml first. So here that's why for the first equation I have calculated for only 1 ml. So in the second condition, so X plus Y equals to 1, because here I am calculating it only for 1 ml, not for 100 ml. So after getting X and Y values, you can multiply X value with 100 and Y value with 100, so that the values of quantities of X and Y will be for 100 ml of the solution. So put this as equation 2. So okay, these two equations, solve these two equations. 5x plus 8y equals to 6.8. I am multiplying this equation, this total equation with 5. You can multiply either with 8 also, but here I am making it equal with coefficient of x. So that's why I am multiplying equation 2 with 5. What do you get? 5x plus 5y equals to 5. Let us do subtraction. Minus 5x and 5x will be cancelled off. 8 minus 5 will become 3y equals to 1.8. Y equals to what? 1.8 by 3. 0.6. Y equals to 0.6. So y value, put y value in equation 2. put y equals to 0.6 in equation 2. So x plus 0.6 equals to 1, x plus 0.6 equals to 1, x equals to 1 minus 0.6. Therefore x equals to 0.4. So here quantity of 50% solution per ml. So this is also per ml. So here we have calculated the value of equation 1 for 1 ml, and equation 2 also we have written it only for 1 ml. So here x value is what? For 1 ml x equals to 0.4. For 100 ml of solution, how much it becomes? 100 into 0.4, it becomes 40 ml. Clear? 40 ml. So again 1 ml y equals to 1 ml of y equals to 0.6 equals to 100 ml of solution. For 100 ml of solution, what does y becomes? Y becomes 100 into 0.6, that is equals to 60 ml. So here we got the values for C. How much of each should be used to obtain 100 ml of a 68% solution? So for 1 ml it was for 1 ml x is 0.4 and y is 0.6. For 100 ml of solution becomes 100 into 0.4 40 ml and 100 into 0.6 60 ml. So this is the solution. So I'll explain you again. Let x be the quantity of 50% solution per ml. Let y be the quantity of 80% solution per ml. So I have calculated per ml. So that's why percentage is there. Percentage is nothing but percent means what? By 100. 1 cent means 100. So x into 50%. So I have written 50 by 100 plus y into 80 by 100 is equals to 68 by 100. So this I have expressed it in points. After getting values, I have multiplied on both sides with 10. You got it as 5x plus 8y equals to 6.8. Put this as equation 1. Again, so both the quantities of x and y should be equals to 1 ml per ml. Per ml means 1 ml. So x plus y equals to 1. Correct. X plus y equals to 1. Solving these two equations, you will get y value and x value. Whatever the value you get, what we assumed y as quantity of 50% solution per ml. So this was per ml. So per ml it was 0.6 and 0.4. For 100 ml, because 100 ml we have calculated, they asked us to find for 100 ml. So 100 ml it will be what? 40 ml and 60 ml. So this is the solution. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.